Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is nutrition hacks for consistent energy, how to fuel your body all day without the crash. Whether you're working long hours, parenting, studying, or just trying to stay sharp, consistent energy is essential. Today we'll cover why nutrition plays a key role in daily energy, common mistakes, my personal experience, and a step-by-step plan you can start today. This isn't just about avoiding afternoon crashes, it's about building a sustainable routine that keeps your body and mind in sync for the long term. Food is more than calories, it's information for your body. Balanced nutrition regulates blood sugar, supports hormones, and feeds your brain. Research from Harvard shows that consistent meal timing and balanced macronutrients improve focus, mood, and stamina. Protein stabilizes blood sugar, healthy fats support brain health, and slow digesting carbs provide lasting fuel. Personally, I noticed a huge difference when I switched from skipping breakfast to eating protein-rich meals every 4 or 5 hours. It wasn't just about feeling less hungry. It was about mental clarity, stable focus, and not hitting that 3 p.m. wall. Listener story. Ashley from Chicago shared, adding more whole foods and cutting processed snacks stabilized my energy and mood. Another listener, Marcus from Seattle, said, once I added complex carbs and stopped relying on energy drinks, I had steady focus from morning until night. Studies from Stanford Medicine confirm that people who follow balanced eating patterns report 20-30% higher daily energy levels and fewer sleep disruptions. Beyond that, a consistent meal rhythm helps regulate circadian rhythms, improving both daytime performance and nighttime sleep quality. Mistake 1. Skipping meals or extreme fasting. This creates blood sugar dips that trigger fatigue and irritability. Mistake 2. Overloading on caffeine and sugar. These provide quick boosts but lead to hard crashes later. Mistake 3. Too many processed carbs without protein or fat. White bread, pastries, and chips spike blood sugar but leave you hungrier soon after. Mistake 4. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration reduces cognitive function and physical stamina. Mistake 5. Ignoring micronutrients like magnesium and B vitamins, which play key roles in energy metabolism. Mistake 6. Eating too large meals that overload digestion and make you feel sluggish instead of energized. Mistake 7. Lack of meal planning, relying on random snacks or skipping meals due to poor preparation. Mistake 8. Emotional eating, using food as stress relief rather than energy support, which often leads to inconsistent patterns. Here's my system. Eat every 4 to 5 hours. Balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. I follow the simple formula. Proteins, fiber-rich carb, plus healthy fat in every meal. Start the day with a high-protein breakfast like eggs, turkey sausage, and avocado toast. Include slow-digesting carbs, oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes. These provide steady fuel without spiking blood sugar. Carry portable snacks, nuts, protein bars, boiled eggs, Greek yogurt. I always keep a bag of almonds in my car. Stay hydrated. Aim for half your body weight in ounces. I carry a 1-liter bottle and refill it twice daily. Bonus. Include energy-supporting supplements like magnesium, B-complex, and omega-3s if your diet is lacking. I also recommend adjusting meal sizes to your schedule. Larger meals earlier in the day and lighter dinners. Listener story. Liam from New York said, just switching my breakfast from cereal to eggs and avocado made my afternoons 10 times better. Another listener, Samantha from Florida, shared, meal prepping my lunches with lean protein and veggies kept me from crashing after work. I also suggest adding adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha or ginseng for some people, but always consult with a healthcare professional first. Now let's create your personal plan. Step 1. Identify your energy slumps. Note when you feel most tired during the day. Step 2. Adjust meal timing and content. Add a small protein and fat snack before known slumps. Step 3. Plan and prep meal snacks in advance. Batch cook proteins and carbs every Sunday. Pre-portion snacks in containers. Step 4. Track energy levels and mood for 1 week using a simple journal or app. Bonus tip: experiment with removing or reducing one trigger food like sugary drinks to see immediate impact. Sample day: 7 a.m. high protein breakfast, 11 a.m. small protein snack, 1 p.m. balanced lunch with greens, 4 p.m. nuts or yogurt, 7 p.m. light dinner with vegetables and lean protein. Bonus: add a Saturday or Sunday prep day to review your week's performance. Swap out recipes that didn't work for your schedule and set up your fridge and pantry for success. Make a habit of shopping for whole foods in bulk once a week. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone who wants better daily energy. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into hydration strategies beyond just drinking more water. I'll see you then.